Every year, stroke affects thousands of people in Sri Lanka. It is one of the leading causes of death and disability. Post-operative and chronic pain are common reasons for hospital stays. Yet in many cases, moderate to severe pain remains undertreated. For 65 years, Martin Dow has been trusted for innovation and quality. Today, it stands as the 6th largest pharmaceutical group in Pakistan. Martin Dow takes another bold step forward by introducing Advaxaban, advancing stroke protection, and Toradol, delivering rapid and reliable pain relief, together setting new standards in patient care. Martin Dow, creating distinction for life.